So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coach Fahad and welcome to another exciting tutorial, that is Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is a very beautiful library, visualization library of Python. It is very interesting and very handy and very easy to use, and today's Matplotlib is widely used visualization library. Many of the data science, like every data science, are using Matplotlib for their visualization purpose. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna teach you about the basics of Matplotlib, like what is Matplotlib and how can we create some basic plots using this Matplotlib. These things we are gonna see in today's video. So guys, before starting the videos, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it, and please share and like my videos. So okay guys, without any delays, let's get started. So as you can see that I'm currently on Matplotlib official website. The documentation is all the documentation about the Matplotlib are present here. You can have a look here because if you want to learn Matplotlib or want to know more about in the details about the Matplotlib visualization library, then you can go to matplotlib.org and you can see there. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make all these plots in today's video using this Matplotlib. I'm gonna explain these plots, like how these plots are being drawn, and so let's see. So first I will open my Jupyter notebook. So here's my Jupyter notebook. So first let me introduce the what is Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is a Python visualization library which many of the data scientists are used to visualize their data. They use it as a visualization library. Matplotlib, there are many kinds of bars or histogram which we can create using Matplotlib, like histogram, bar plot, scatter plot, and uh, distance plot. There are many kind of plot which we can create using this histogram using this Matplotlib library. So let's first start with the very basic. So let's first I will import my Matplotlib library. So let's see how we can import our Matplotlib library. So for importing Matplotlib, I will type here import. Okay, sorry. I will type here import matplotlib dot pyplot splt. So guys, this is the way of importing the Matplotlib library. In this way, you can import the Matplotlib library. So let me run this. So my Matplotlib library has been loaded. Now let me here I am going to create a very basic, very simple graph using this library, and I will for this I will use figure axis. Axis is nothing, it's just a space where the points are located. Axis is the space where points are located either in 1D or 2D, and by connecting those points the lines are drawn. So let me uh, plt dot subplot. Here I'm just creating an axis, a 1D axis, and now I will pass here plt dot sorry x dot plt dot x, and I'm going to pass here some of the inputs, like let me pass the randomly number 1 2 3 4 5. Let me pass some another value for the y-axis. This will be considered as x-axis, and the next input which I am going to give is will be considered as a y-axis. So let me give anything. Now I'm going to run this. So here you can see that I have created a very simple graph using this Matplotlib. So here you can see that all the inputs 1 2 4 5 are given here in the x-axis, and the 4 2 5 6 are arranged on the y-axis. It is arranged accordingly, like randomly. For x is equal to 1, the value of y is 4. So, and for x is equal to 2, the value of y is 2. So here you can see that it is automatically distributed the values according to x and y values. So this is the simple graph using the matplotlib which I have created here. You can also create this graph like plt.plot, and inside this you can just pass these values. Let me just copy this. I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So here you can see that you can also create the simple graph using just one line. You can just pass this plt. You just need to write the plt.plot, and inside this you just need to pass the values. So this is the way of creating this simple graph in just a simple line. So let me show you something more. So let me explain you this graph, like how what about this graph and how this graph is created here. So for that, let me explain this from this first line. So this x is equal to np dot line space. So what this line space will do? Let me just type it here. X dot np dot line space. So what this line space is doing, it will give me the 100 values between 0 and 2. So this is the starting point 0 and this is the end point 2. So this np.line space will return the values from 0 to 2, and that number of values will be 100. So let me show you by running this. So I will pass here 0 comma 2 comma 100. So let me run this. So numpy, I have not defined numpy. So let me first import numpy as np. Now let me run this. So did I wrote something wrong? Yeah, it's not. So here you can see that this np.line space has given me the values, the 100 values between 0 to 2. So this was all about the first line. So now let me do the other things, like let me create this. So I will just type here figure, which I have done on the above. Figure axis equal to plt dot subplot. So this is, I'm creating the axis, and now x dot plot. I will pass x values as x, y as x, and line linear. So here you can see that I have created a simple plot using x dot plot. This is x values x and x values y values y. This one is I'm creating a linear plot, and here I am creating a quadratic plot like x square, and here I am creating a cubic plot like x cube, that y value is x value is x, and the y coordinate value is the x cube. So here you can see that. So let me assign name to this x-axis and naming to the y-axis. So how you can do that? I will just type here x dot set x label. Let me assign this a, and x dot set y label, and let me assign this b. And now if I am run this, I'm gonna run this. So here you can see that I have named the x-axis as a and y-axis as b, and y-axis as b. And now let me add a legend, ax dot legend. So here you can see that I have created a legend here, that is linear quadratic cube. The blue line is for linear, the orange line is for quadratic, and the green or red line is for the cube. So okay guys, this was about the creating the simple plot using Matplotlib library. So so this was all about today's video. In the next videos, I'm gonna talk about the different kinds of plots like bar plots, histogram, pie chart, everything. I'm gonna teach you about teach you about the different kinds of plots in my today's like upcoming videos using this Matplotlib library. So this was all about today's video. I will see you in the okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.